Lesson 5 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Saxophone presents the scale of C major for 2 octaves. This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet which you have downloaded from planzmusic.com. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. To play C major for 2 octaves, you will need to start on bottom C. Again, the side key fingering for C in the middle and at the top of this scale is proposed, and exercise 6 provides the opportunity to develop the use of this fingering. Here is the scale of C major for 2 octaves. Everything in Lesson 5 features in Practice Plan 5. Be sure also to exercise all the other scales you have learnt, which are also listed here. Make sure that you tick the boxes.